You need engine data. You need it now, not later. Keep application 2.0.
Hi. Well then, so this week I am on vacation, because I sometimes vacate. I need to vacate. So I've got a short little crappy video for you, but it's kind of interesting, and there'll be some links at the end and so on. I have no personal direct experience with this, but, you know, it's a thing. This one comes to me from a guy named John who stopped in and I inspected his van and checked out those cool lights. And while I was looking at their link, I saw that they have pretty kooky looking turn signal indicators too that go in the mirrors. Anyway, it's a video I've not put much effort in, but you may enjoy it or you may not. All right, I'll see you when I get back from the vacation. Carry on. Mwah. All right, look at this, kids. Sequential fancy.
Give you a reverse.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh, that is the business. Sequential, so they know that you're going to crash. That's the fun of it. I will put a link for where to get these. These are Euro, you know, would be Ducato or Jumper or whatever parts. Very cool. I'm into that. I'm liking that.
My app, Promaster Phone App, custom Promaster